Welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about niches. So hopefully you already know what a niche is and you already downloaded the PDF which we provided, which were our 147 most profitable niches in 2018 so far. A niche is basically a market. And these are markets that you're going to target and build designs for to try to cater to the market so that they spend money and buy your designs. These are examples of niches. Hiking would be a niche. These are people who like hiking. It's a market. Some of the best niches are passion niches. People who are intensely passionate about it. Horses is one of the biggest niches on Amazon. Horse riders are incredibly passionate about horses. I knew a girl once, and every Sunday she would wake up and go horse training at 7 a.m. even if it was raining. She absolutely loved it. She loved her horses. And so this is huge passion around it. And these create some of the best, most vibrant niches out there. This is some data that I've gathered from Facebook. Facebook provided these as some of the core categories of people. People who like these sports, they evoke passion. So a lot of sports shirts sell very well, particularly if you think about moms as shoppers, they will buy sports shirts for their kids if their kids are taking coaching or a part of their school team. Also, one of the hugest niches are hobby niches. People who play guitar are very passionate, and I have a lot of people who buy all kinds of guitar shirts. Funny shirts, vintage shirts, distressed retro shirts, quotes, but all around the theme of playing guitar. Pets, huge. Dogs, cats, probably top 5 biggest niches on Amazon. So the reason I'm going through this list is to give you a sense of these are all markets that we can target. And the way we're going to do our research is we're going to look at a niche and we're going to ask, is this niche selling? So does our customers pulling out their wallets and actually spending money in this niche? We validate the selling with the BSR. Now, if it is selling, is it competitive? What kind of designs are being offered? Can I offer a better product to market? If there's already only just reviews upon reviews and well-designed shirts, low price, it's going to be a very competitive market to get into. But if the designs can be approved upon, if there's a lot of high prices, by the way, I pull these in the background just because of how, I don't know, I just found it pretty funny that you can price a shirt at $50 and it sold in the past week. Though it begs the question, did they raise the price after it sold? So these are basically some things to think about, is how to dive into niches and explore niches. These are jobs are great, demographics are great, so moms, dads, these are ways you can intersect niches. Intersecting niches is huge, and hopefully you read the PDF and you saw that there. Another way to approach this is if you think about hiking shirts in general as the market. What we mean when we niche down is that we're creating a shirt that will have less competition and can be found by more targeted buyers. So all of a sudden, if this is the market, we have the sub-market might be hiker dads. And now what we call a micro niche is when you're niching down and you're getting more and more specific. So all of a sudden the results, and we can do this in real time, will diminish. You can do hiker dads from California. And so now you're creating design that's super specific, which means it won't sell as often as those broad shirts, which might just say, I love horses, because this has a target. This plays into our strategy of just selling maybe once or twice a month. If you can replicate this across thousands of designs, you have a winning formula for scaling. So just to show you, okay, so let's say we have over 6,000 great shirts, tons of reviews. Now what if we do hiking dad shirts? All of a sudden, you've pulled it down, over 1,000 results. So now what if you do hiking dad California shirts? Boom. You've pulled the competition in terms of the number of results that appear for this way down from 6,000 to 87. So this is the process of niching down, which is hugely vital to success. To give you more sense of niches, once you start to see selling phrases, for example, my heart belongs to, once you put this, all these are different niches that you can enter. Nurses, pipeliners, welders, soldiers. The people who are buying this are incredibly passionate about this. A lot of these jobs are thankless jobs. Linemen, truck drivers, teachers, welders. These are hard jobs that people feel a lot of passion towards. And so this is, in my opinion, one of the best style of niches to get into are those hardcore passion niches. So this was a broad overview of the process of niches, which are basically markets. And you can dive into markets, test whether the market is selling, dig into sub-markets. You can intersect markets, which means take someone who likes baseball and someone who likes fishing and make a shirt for both. Niche down furthermore. So like I said, hiking can become hiker dads, and they can become hiker dads from California. And you can do also hiker single dads, but now it's getting a bit too specific. Balance it out between something being too broad and something being too specific to find that sweet spot. So that's a nice overview of niches and what they are and how we're going to get into it. So hopefully that was useful. You can rewatch the video if there's a lot of information, and talk soon.